Today's
We're
video.
going to walk through the process of closing your PayPal account permanently. Whether you're switching to a different payment platform or no longer need PayPal, I'll guide you step by step on how to delete your account. So let's get started. First is, of course, log into your account and go to paypal.com in your web browser. Click login at the top right corner of the page and enter your email address and password. Then click login. So once you're logged in, click the gear icon settings at the top right corner of the page. Okay, next to the log out button. So this is the one, this is the settings. So click on that. So in the settings menu, click on the account tab. So we're already here. So scroll down at the bottom of the page. Here, you can see that. Close your account. So at the bottom under the close your account section, click close your account. And then a message will pop up asking you to confirm that you want to close your PayPal account. PayPal may ask you to withdraw any remaining balance from your PayPal account before proceeding. So make sure your account is empty and all transactions are completed. And also follow the prompts to confirm the closure. So confirm your decision. PayPal will ask for your account password for security purposes, and then enter your password to confirm that you wish to permanently close your account. So once you confirm your PayPal account will be closed, you will no longer have access to the account and it will be permanently deleted. So important notes to remember: the pending transactions. Ensure all pending transactions are completed before you close your account. Any pending payments or refunds could be affected. Also, link cards and bank accounts. PayPal recommends unlinking all cards and bank accounts from your PayPal account before closing it. To do so, go to the wallet section and remove all payment methods. Also, account history. PayPal allows you to download your transaction history before closing the account if you need to keep records. If you can't close your account, there are three reasons for that. The first is pending payments. Make sure there are no pending payments or disputes in your account. And also, the second one is negative balance. If your account has a negative balance, people will not let you close it until the balance is cleared. Third reason is active subscriptions. If you have any active subscriptions, they need to be canceled first. So, for the final summary, closing your PayPal account is straightforward, but make sure your account is cleared of any funds or spending or pending transactions before proceeding. And once you've completed the steps, your account will be permanently deleted. And that's it for today. I hope this video helps you, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.